Hello guys, welcome to this video where we are going to look at how you can pass the GoTranscript exams. So in this first part is the questions, yes, where you must score 100% for you to continue to the audio test, okay? So for you to score 100%, ensure that you read the guidelines and that you are good with grammar, okay? So the first question, which sentence is punctuated correctly? So they want to see whether you know how to use commas, because where you place commas can change the meaning of the sentence, okay? So in the first place, modern communicators have made it possible for many people to work from home. That is the correct one. So this one does not have commas. This one has a comma in the wrong place, and this one also, okay? So we come to the second question. If you are working on a part 5 or to 15 minutes, time stamping every 30 seconds should start at, so that is the correct answer. You start with the 5. So number 3, which of the following slang words or spoken contractions should be transcribed in a clean verbatim file the way it is said? So spoken contractions must not be changed, okay? Yes. So what are the types of time stamping? We have for every 2 minutes and the change of speaker, okay? Number 5, if there is a word that you cannot hear due to heavy background noise, what do you have to do? So if you cannot hear due to background noise, you put inaudible. Yes, and this minutes should be the exact minutes where the noise starts, okay? Yes. Number 6, how to note a significant pause in the video. So pause, that is the correct answer. We mark it as pause, and you insert here the time where the pause starts, okay? Number 7, why is it important to pass the test on your own and without anybody's help? Yes, the knowledge of GoTranscript guidelines is a must while working at GoTranscript. If you cannot pass the test on your own, how can you expect to be a successful worker at GoTranscript? Also, if you cannot provide quality work, you will be removed from the team. So that is the correct answer. And you cannot study the guidelines after you get an account. So that is wrong. Full verbatim. Starter. Why is this moist? So we use hyphens. GoTranscript uses hyphens, alright? Yes. So number 9. How should you transcribe numbers? 1, 9, 10, 100. However, exceptions can be applied to improve readability. That is correct. Which sentence is written correctly? I have never forgot. That's wrong. I have never forgotten my mother's. No apostrophe here. So this is wrong. I have never forgotten my mother's advice. So this is a verb. I have never forgotten my mother's advice. So this is the correct answer. So let us click confirm and see whether we have passed the exams, right? Yes. So when you click confirm, you must complete this captcha to determine that you're not a robot. So let me do that quickly. Now if we pass this one, if we pass this part, then we are going to go to the audio test, alright? After you have selected all the right images, click verify. And as you can see here guys, we have passed the exams, and now we are in the audio test, okay? So I'm going to transcribe this audio, and we are going to look at it together and see how it should be transcribed, okay? All right. Hello guys. So as you can see here, I have already transcribed the audio, but we are going to go through it together so that you can see how I have transcribed, okay? So this may not be 100% accurate, but at least you will have an idea of a pretty good transcribed, or rather what the audio test wanted you to do. Okay, so let's play it and go through the text together. Okay.
Hi, this is Charles, and what you're about to listen to is an audio test for GoTranscript. If you're currently working for GoTranscript and you've picked this up as a job, refuse it immediately and contact support. That's a big no-no.
So here
Hi.
the person has repeated these two words, but you should not remove the this no, because they are sensitizing. Yes, they are emphasizing the point. Okay, so these two no's stay. All right.
Hi,
Guys,
Christine
remember these
speaking.
guys have
And I am
stated their names. So instead of putting here speaker one and speaker two, you insert their names. All right. So the first one declared his name as Charles, and that's why we're putting it Charles. This one has started by saying her name is Christine, and that is why we are putting Christine here, right? And then as you can see here, they're saying they are with Mary Young. So the person who will be responding, or the interviewee, will be Mary Young. So we'll be putting Mary Young, all right? So let us continue.
with Mary Alice Young. Today's date is August 15th, 2022. The time is 3:20 p.m. We are discussing a loss which occurred on or around June 18th,
Be very
2022.
careful with the time. Be very careful with the time. Please check,
The
please check
fictional
the
car
time
insurance
and the
corporation,
format that they
where
are
our
they should
motto
be in.
is if
Please
you
also
file a
check the
claim,
dates
you can be.
and the format they should be in, all right? So don't just copy everything directly. Please check this, and please check the date and the time and format it correctly, all right?
Be sure it's
All right.
fictional. We are here at Ms. Cantrell's residence at 79 Wistful Vista, Baghdad, Florida. Mary Alice, please put down that fuzzy
So they are
navel
reading
for.
a motto, which is like a direct quotation, and this one must be in quotation marks, all right? This one must be in quotation marks. Okay, let's continue. So when you encounter things such as the address, make sure you Google. Make sure you Google this address to ensure that you have all these names written correctly. Okay. So like here, Baghdad. So many people write the Baghdad for the one that is in Asia. I don't know if it's in Asia, but the one with
For a
the
sec
H,
and tell me
you
if
see,
you're aware I'm
and that
recording
is
this
wrong. So
interview.
this is the correct. This is
Yes,
the correct
ma'am. I have your permission?
pronunciation.
Yes, ma'am. You're not represented by an attorney
So
or a public
let us
adjuster in
continue.
connection with this? No, ma'am. Mary Alice, what's your date of birth? June 17th, 2004. Ma'am, let me just remind you that this is a recorded line. Oh, fine. 1984 then, smarty pants. How long have you lived at your location?
Remember, guys, contractions like the word "o." So this one must be kept. Okay. Yes. Please also remember the dates. Check the formats and insert the correct format. All right. Let us continue.
I've been at my fabulous Florida mansion for 2 months. Ma'am, just a reminder that. Oh, fine. It's a trailer park. Are you happy?
So as you can see here, Mary interrupted Christine when she was speaking. So we must put this dash to show that there was an interruption. All right. Yes, and it is a single dash. All right.
Is that a rental or did you? It most certainly is not a rental. I bought it with the insurance money I scammed out of you folks last year. You do know that 9 out of 10 claims made to your company are bogus, right? Of course, I just work here, ma'am. Anyway, is this the first home that you've ever purchased?
Yes, it is.
And who's your employer?
I'm employed by Initech Corporation.
What did you do for them?
Well, naturally, with my skills and
So, guys, Inotech Corporation, um, you must Google and
training,
check the
I
right
was
name.
immediately
All right. So, as you can see here, I had not.
was im-
Yes, please Google.
I was immediately
It's the right name. All right. Okay, let's continue.
immediately promoted from my front desk to logistics analyst.
And how long have you been with them for?
Well, now let me see. I've been with Initech a total of 4 years, and
So, as you
before
can see
that, I
here,
worked for Inatrode.
you must put the numerals. All right. You must put the numeral number 4. All right.
Trode.
So let us continue.
Init- Before that, I worked for Inatrode right across the way.
What was your immediate supervisor's name?
Uh, Bill Lumberg.
And how much were you expecting to get from this scam? This claim.
At least $1,500, enough to
So
pay for my
as you
next
can see
mani
here,
pedi.
Uh,
the
well,
client, the speaker, it's like they changed their whatever they wanted to say. So
well,
we put the 2 dashes. All
well,
right.
we'll see. I'll drop by tomorrow and ask you some more questions, okay?
Sure thing. Ta ta for now.
Thus ends interview number 1.
This audio was used for the transcriber test at GoTranscript. If you submitted it to GoTranscript for transcription, you're really pushing your luck. Charles saying good night.
So guys, I think we have done the best. This is almost correct. Please ensure that you check the dates. The dates are very important. The dates are very important. And then guys, I wish you all the best. Wish you all the best. This one was a simple one. I know also most of you will agree this is a simple one, but the trick is on the dates here and the time. Yes, the dates and the time. Yeah. So please also go through the punctuations. Insert your own punctuations. Don't copy paste. Please don't copy paste this text and insert it in your Go transcript working space. Please don't do that. Please type each and every letter, each and every comma. Please type the whole text. All right. This is because Go transcript they can identify whether you have just copy pasted or whether you have typed using their tool. All right. So type each and every word. Don't be lazy, guys. Don't be lazy, guys. Type each and every word. Put some commas. You can put your own punctuation. They are very lenient with punctuation, so don't do it like I've done exactly, all right? So that they don't detect something fishy, okay? And with that, guys, um, we can click send it to review. Yes, and within a few days, we'll be expecting their feedback. So I wish all of you the best. And guys, if this fails, I'll be doing another audio test. So please click subscribe. Please like this video for more content such as this. Yes, when you click the like button, more people will receive, more people will get this video, and they will learn something from this video. Okay, so till next time, guys. Wish you all the best and good luck.